Alright, what's up guys? It's 9-inch day, so we're going to be swapping a 9-inch into the 4th gen. This old dude's got 222,000 miles on it, so it's due for an upgrade. Still has 342 gears in it, and it's held up for what, 27 years now, so I think it's due for an upgrade. So not really a badass 9-inch. It'll do. It's better than a 10 bolt. That's all I can say. So it has a stock cast iron housing. I don't know what year it's from, but it's probably the quick performance one. So this is a quick performance rear end. Just missing a couple of things. I got the brakes on the way right now. It's for an LS style. I have an LT. So I'm going to be running the LS style stuff because I'm not pressing that stuff on and off. I'd rather just swap it. So it's got a 410 gear set, a track lock. I got an aluminum drive shaft, which hopefully will hold up. But it has a 1350 billet yoke on the thingamawhopper there. But yeah, I gotta do a couple things to it. I think I'm gonna seal that off. It looks like it was leaking right there. But you gotta clean all this stuff up still. Gonna replace the axle seals on the outside, clean all that stuff up. And then put a BMR adjustable torque arm on it. I gotta take this bracket off because I bought this thing new. And it's worthless because I'm not gonna be running the 10 bolt anymore. Actually, no, it isn't worthless. I just thought of it. It'll bolt to that. Yeah, there we go. See, I thought it just bolted to this. See, we got some stuff going on here. So yeah, we're good. I needed this anyway. Good deal. Okay, scratch what you thought about that. So yeah, we're good on that. And then got the axles. Those look pretty good. But yeah, fun times. We're gonna knock this out in a couple hours. I'll do some progression video stuff. I gotta run to O'Reilly and get some seal still in the oil and all that jazz and some silicone and brake cleaner and clean all that stuff up. I'm not gonna be running this pile of junk right here. I don't really like these too much. I'm gonna get rid of that. But yeah, I'll shoot progression videos.
Yeah, you probably need at least 2.
Yeah, somebody left some marks there, huh? Your 2-step back there? Oh, it is? Okay. That's why it's popping.
I used to leave it on all the time.
Oh, okay. right, made some progress. Got the 10 volt dropped. It's gonna take the torque arm off the old one. Found out I got like an ABS ring or something on the rear end, but that's okay. Real oily down here, that's expected. That's real nice. At least it's lubricated, it's not rusted. So that's good. So, not that hard to take one of them out. Just gotta know kind of know what you're doing. And then the old 9-inch is sitting right over there. So I'll get back to you when we get the 9-inch in. All right, so we officially got a 9-inch in here. Wasn't that bad. This one's a little different. I gotta use the LS style brakes in the rear, which ain't that big of a deal, but it's missing all the e-brake stuff, so I'm missing the e-brake right now. The torque arm mount for the trans is different. Don't know what I gotta do about that, so I'm using the stock one for now. So that makes sense, you know. I got a 9-inch with a stock torque arm, so that's real good. And hey, you know, I got this pretty red stuff under here too, so that's real nice. We're just buttoning things up. I gotta do the brakes, and then honestly that's it. Everything else is buttoned up under here. So
Okay, don't let me forget this thing's not tightened up.
oh yeah, oh, I got aluminum dry shaft too, so we'll see how long that lasts too. All right, so we're just buttoning everything up. I can't use the e-brakes right now because I don't have any of the drum stuff for that, but I can always install it later. But it's getting dark, so we're just wanting to just wrap this up. So we're just zip tying the e-brake cables out of the way. Got to bleed the brakes, and we'll go for a ride. All right, we got it down on the ground. Just came in from test drive. It's still living, so that's good. But yeah, it's under there. I don't think it's leaking any fluid yet, so we'll find out tomorrow. I'm gonna lift this thing back up. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten everything up one more time, make sure everything's good under here, and then I think we're good to go. It did lift it up just a little bit. Nothing crazy. I can deal with it. I like the little rake of it, so that's it for this one.